how to nickname a Palmon in Palmon Survival game. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are gonna be learning how you can easily nickname a Palmon in Palmon Survival. It takes only a couple of minutes, so let's get started. First of all, launch open the Palmon Survival game on your device, whichever device you're using, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on the Palmon icon at the bottom left corner. After you do that, you'll end up in this Palmon roster. Here, you need to go ahead and select a Palmon you want to nickname. Now, after opening up your Palmon's info page, go to the top of the screen and look for this pencil icon. Tap on it and enter a new nickname for your Palmon. Once done, click on confirm. And you have successfully nicknamed one of your Palmon in Palmon Survival. Your Palmon now has a fresh identity that's all yours. It's a small change, but it really adds personality to your adventure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.